Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the hottest questions in the crypto world. Could Ethereum hit $20,000 by 2025? Stick around until the end, because we're going to break down some mind-blowing predictions, expert opinions, and key factors that could make this a reality. Or not. Whether you're an Ethereum holder, a crypto enthusiast, or just curious about where the market is headed, this is one video you don't want to miss. Imagine this, a world where cryptocurrency does so much more than just sit in your wallet. Picture an entire digital universe of apps, games, finance, even businesses, all running on one powerful blockchain. That's Ethereum, and it's changing the game. But what exactly is Ethereum, and where could its price be heading by 2025? Could it hit new highs or drop to unexpected lows? Stick around, because today we're breaking it all down. Plus, I've got something to make your crypto journey easier. Our free crypto cheat sheet. It's loaded with tips and info to help you understand and navigate the crypto world like a pro. I'll tell you more about it in just a minute. All right, let's dive into it. What is Ethereum really? Well, while most people think of it as just another cryptocurrency, Ethereum is actually so much more. Ethereum is a decentralized platform that allows developers to build and run smart contracts and dApps, or decentralized applications. That means you can create programs that run exactly as coded, without any middlemen. No banks, no companies, no gatekeepers. To put it simply, Ethereum is the foundation of what's often called Web 3.0, the next generation of the internet, where things like finance, gaming, and even social networks are powered by code, not companies. And how does Ethereum differ from Bitcoin? Bitcoin's main purpose is to act as digital money, but Ethereum is programmable. Developers can build entire ecosystems on top of it, like NFTs, DeFi, decentralized finance, and even AI projects. In other words, Ethereum isn't just a currency, it's a platform, and that's why it's considered one of the most important blockchains out there. So why does Ethereum matter so much, and why are people so excited about its future? Well, Ethereum is more than just a coin. It's the backbone of an entire digital economy. Think about this. Ethereum powers decentralized finance, DeFi, where you can borrow, lend, or earn interest on your crypto without needing a bank. It's also the engine behind NFTs, those digital collectibles that have taken the art and gaming world by storm. And that's not all. Ethereum is a hub for decentralized apps, dApps, from social networks to virtual worlds, where users have control over their data. Even AI projects are starting to run on Ethereum, thanks to its smart contract capabilities. Plus, Ethereum's future is looking even brighter with the upgrade to Ethereum 2.0. This shift from proof of work to proof of stake will make Ethereum faster, more scalable, and environmentally friendly. In short, it's preparing to handle way more users and applications. So whether it's DeFi, NFTs, or something we haven't even thought of yet, Ethereum is positioned to be the foundation of Web 3.0. And that's why it's not just another cryptocurrency, it's a game changer. 2025 price predictions. Now let's get to the big question everyone's asking. Where is Ethereum's price heading by 2025? Of course, no one can predict the future with 100% certainty, but based on the trends, we can consider a few scenarios. Let's start with a low estimate. If adoption slows down or the broader market faces some heavy challenges, we could see Ethereum stay around the $2,500 to $3,000 mark. This would be a more bearish scenario, where market confidence isn't as strong. Now, for a middle estimate, this is where things get more optimistic. If Ethereum continues to grow as expected, with Ethereum 2.0 scaling the network and more DeFi, NFT, and gaming projects being built on it, Ethereum could reach about $6,000 to $8,000 by 2025. That's a solid rise based on consistent growth and adoption. But what if Ethereum really hits its stride? In a best-case scenario with massive institutional adoption, more regulatory clarity, and an explosion of Web 3.0 applications, Ethereum could soar past $10,000 to $15,000, maybe $20,000, maybe even higher. In this bullish case, Ethereum would truly become the backbone of the decentralized internet. Of course, these are just projections, and the actual price will depend on a variety of factors: market sentiment, regulatory developments, and how well Ethereum handles its transition to Ethereum 2.0. But one thing's for sure, Ethereum has positioned itself as a key player in the future of blockchain technology. So whether you're cautiously optimistic or bullish on Ethereum's future, 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for this project. All right, before we go any further, I want to make sure you're fully equipped to navigate this exciting yet complex world of crypto. That's why I've put together something special for you, a free crypto cheat sheet. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking to sharpen your knowledge, this cheat sheet is designed to simplify everything, from understanding blockchain basics to spotting market opportunities. It's got all the key terms, strategies, and tips to help you feel confident in your crypto journey. And the best part? It's completely free. Just click the link in the description below and grab your copy. Seriously, don't miss out on this. It's a great resource whether you're just getting started or you're already deep into the crypto world. Trust me, it'll save you tons of time and confusion. Could Ethereum dominate? Now you might be wondering what makes Ethereum so special. Why does it have the potential to keep dominating the crypto space, even as other blockchains pop up? First, let's talk about network effects. Ethereum has the first mover advantage. It's already home to thousands of dApps, DeFi protocols, NFTs, and major institutional projects. The more developers build on Ethereum, the stronger and more valuable the network becomes. And it's not just about today. Ethereum has positioned itself for the long term with Ethereum 2.0. The shift to proof of stake is making it faster, more scalable, and more eco-friendly, so it can handle millions of users and thousands of applications without slowing down. On top of that, major institutions are already backing Ethereum. From DeFi to gaming, even AI projects are being built on the Ethereum blockchain, giving it real-world use cases. That's why it has staying power and why we see it as a key player for years to come. Sure, there are competitors like Solana and Layer 2 solutions, but Ethereum's massive developer base, deep liquidity, and ongoing upgrades give it a huge advantage. Even if others rise, Ethereum is likely to remain at the center of the decentralized web. So, whether you're into NFTs, DeFi, or anything, Web3 Ethereum is the platform making all of it possible. It's not just another blockchain, it's the foundation of the decentralized future. Now, before you go off exploring Ethereum and the entire crypto world, don't forget, I've got something that can really help you on your journey. My free crypto cheat sheet is packed with everything you need to get a clear understanding of the crypto space, and it's perfect whether you're just getting started or you're leveling up your knowledge. This cheat sheet covers the essentials, from the most important terms like smart contracts and DeFi, to tips on how to avoid common crypto mistakes. You'll get instant access to powerful insights that will save you time and help you make smarter decisions in the crypto market. So don't wait. Click the link in the description right now and grab your free crypto cheat sheet. It's a simple, powerful tool that can make all the difference in your crypto journey. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Go ahead, click the link below, and start mastering the world of crypto today. And that's a wrap for today, folks. I hope you found this breakdown of Ethereum and the 2025 price predictions helpful. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been following Ethereum for a while, the potential ahead is super exciting. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more insights into the world of crypto. And hey, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your prediction for Ethereum's price in 2025? Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation going. Thanks for watching. I'm your crypto guru, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget, grab your free crypto cheat sheet by clicking the link in the description. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on that.